Hello everyone, my name is Pranav Kulkarni and my teammates are Sumit Deshmukh and Shamli Dhave. Our project title is Advanced and Smart Image Search System. Professor S.P. Zadhav sir guided us for the same. I am going to explain the introduction part. We have proposed this system to use a set of word embedding string, similarly edit distance algorithm to represent textual information. We have proposed different approaches to capture the similarities between text and images. So the problem statement is to search the best result in the relevant and diversified images is a challenge. Example as problem occurs while searching image on Flickr, where how to make the top ranked result relevant and with diversity is challenging. A fundamental problem in re-ranking of images or text according to the user search preferences. The next one is modules of the project. Basically, we have two modules. The first one is user module and the second one is admin module. Admin can add the images and does other functions also. User can search the image using text as well as image also. Introduction. We have performed image search using text image as well as hash value. In this system, we are retrieving relevant images only. Ranking as well as re-ranking of images improves the searching performance using hash value. We have used three algorithms here. The first one is word embedding, the second one is MD5 algorithm, and the third one is hash map indexing. The main objective of the project is to search using text as well as image, then to show relevant data in result, rank the top images searched, show the result using hash value, and the last one is to re-rank the images according to image search. Motivation. The main motive of our project is to search using text as well as image and retrieve only relevant images. As we can see, this is a system architecture. So here we have three main parts. We are providing text as an input to the word embedding algorithm. Likewise, for MD5 algorithm and hash map indexing algorithm, we will be giving image as an input. We will get feature vector from all of three. A feature vector is just a vector that contains information describing an object's important characteristics. Then the hash code will be generated. We will be mapped now and then it will move to be ranked. We are using, so this is implementation diagram. We are using Chrome browser, Google Chrome, or we can use Mozilla also for this. We have used Apache Tomcat server. As all we know, it is open source. For front end, we have used JSP, and for back end, we have used MySQL and Java. For database, we have used MySQL. Java servlet classes are basically used to create web applications. Now my teammate Sumit Deshmukh will continue the presentation from here.
Thank you, Pranav. The next slide is the system workflow. A project mainly focuses on two main components, that is the admin and user. Admin is responsible for managing the database and authentication of user. Admin also manages the validation of user through user login process. The first step for admin is login by login credentials such as user ID and password. After the validation is done, the admin is logged in and has following functionalities. It can view the number of users who are registered. It can add new images to the database. The images in the database are added in three different ways. Images are added using text, images are also added using images, and the last one, images are added using hash value. Admin can also view the search history of the images which are searched and also has knowledge about the images which are searched frequently. Admin can also access the history of the user. In user side, the first step is the registration process. The user need to create his or her account and register through email ID and password. The administrator approves the request of the user and sends an one-time password to the user's email account. After entering the OTP, the user ID is registered in the database. This way, the verification process of the user is complete. Now the user can access and search all the images in the database. User can search the images in three different ways. First one is by image search, second one tag search, and the third one hash value search. In image search, the searching is done by text. In hash value search, the searching is done by hash value. The third one, tag search, the images are searched by images. In this process, the images are taken as input and the output you will get are images. For example, if we take an image of a car as input, for example a blue car, then the output you will get will be the images containing the blue cars only. Like the administrator, the user can also view the ranking of images which are frequently searched. We have used three main techniques and algorithm: word embedding, hash code generation, and hash map indexing algorithm. In word embedding, we used skipgram algorithm. This algorithm uses an unsupervised technique which is used to find the most relatable words from a given word. Skipgram is also used to predict the context word from a given target word. And in this algorithm, input is taken as text and the output we get is in the form of images. Hash code generation is another technique that we have used. The algorithm is MD5 algorithm, which is termed as message digest algorithm. The input taken is the hash value of an image and the output that we get are the images with similar hash code. Hash code is an integral value that is generated by hash algorithms. This value is compared with the value of the images in the database and we get the desired output. Hashmap indexing algorithm is the last major algorithm that we have used. This algorithm stores all the features of an image in the format of histograms. Basically, this algorithm is used for comparison of image where input is taken as an image and the output that we get is in the form of images as well. Here are the applications. This concept can be used in e-business websites such as Amazon and Flipkart, where searching and filtering of a product can be done by using thumbnails or images of the product. This can also be used in search engine where searching for an image can be done and we can get only the relevant search results. In terms of benefits, suppose if we are searching for an image of a yellow bag on a search engine, there is a possibility that result may include bags with different colors. But we have overcome this drawback and can display relevant results which include only yellow bags. In terms of ranking, we can find the images which are searched the most and can list them according to their popularity. Here are some drawbacks and dependencies. Only admin can make changes to the database. Only authorized users are allowed to access the data. Guest users are not permitted. Size of the database is huge and require higher number of resources. We have proposed a new hashing method, SCMH, termed as semantic cross-media hashing. Our main focus was to overcome the drawbacks of search engine of showing irrelevant search results and have also added new techniques of searching an image via hash value and also searching an image via an image. We have successfully implemented it. Thank you.
Now I am going to explain execution of our project. First, we can see admin module. There is admin login form. You have to enter admin login details into it. Username and password should be in proper format. Password should include uppercase, lowercase, special symbols and numerical. Here I entering the details. Now I am going to click login button. Here admin login successfully. We can see admin operations. Here admin can see users which are already registered. Here user details including ID, name, email, birthday, contact and gender. Then admin can add images with details. Here you have to choose image from database and then added it. After that, admin view all added images. You can see all images which are added into database. Next, admin can add image for image search. After that, admin can view mix generative user transaction. In this feature, admin can see the searching history of users. Next, ranking of image. In image rank table, you can see images which search repeatedly will have rank first. Here you can see ranking of image. Now I am going to log out from admin module. Now we will see user module. Here user login form. If you are new user, then you have to fill registration form. You have to fill all the details required here. Then click on sign in option. Now I am going to back to home and entering user details which are registered. You have to enter correct details into correct format and click on login button. Now I can enter successfully into my profile. Here click on my profile. You can see your profile details into it. Now I can show you search operation. You can see 3 searching types, that is tag search, image search and hash value search. Click on tag search. Tag search is classified into 2 types, Flickr search and mix generative search. Flickr search is our future scope. We will fetch real-time data of Flickr site. In mix generative search, we have fetched data from our own database. Now we can move to image search. Here click on image search dataset. Now you have to choose image from database and choose algorithm that is Minkowski relative deviation and histogram distance. This algorithm choose to get relevant image result. Then we are going to search image by hash value search. There is also two types of hash value searches. First one, similar hash value search and different hash value search. In similar hash value, you can see images which have similar hash value. Here you have to see similar hash value. And in different hash value, you can see different images which have different hash values. Now I am back to home page and log out. You have to use this web application for searching engine. Thank you.